It is GTA time. Hello guys, yes, it's Riley Stanley here. Look what I have just found. I have just found a digger. How amazing is this? But you may be thinking when you looked at the title, hang on a minute, no, you're on about the wrong thing. Well no, because we are not looking at this. We are looking at these bad boys. Just look how big they are. Look how big they are compared to Michael. And everyone knows Michael's big. Look at that. That is just humongous basically. So then guys, I'm just going to tell you some facts about these. Well, one fact, it's the biggest truck on the road, biggest truck in the game, heaviest in the game, and yeah, so let's get on with some of the facts whilst I'm driving to the place, well, driving anyway around Los Santos. So then guys, the first one, which I've just said to you, it's the biggest one, it's the biggest truck in the whole game. I believe it's called the Tonka truck. That's what my mate said, Adam Bonsall. So check out his YouTube channel, and check out my YouTube channel, Riley Stanley, which you should be on now. Anyway, I believe that this Tonka truck takes up half of the road. If there's 2 lanes, then it takes up half of the road. It's the heaviest as well. Like, it apparently is really heavy, and if you run over cars, apparently they blow up. But if you don't believe me, I don't know if I believe myself or not, so I'll test that out in a minute. Right, I'm nearly on the road now. To be honest, I don't know how I'm going to get out of here, because it will just not fit. Anyway, right, this is the big test. See if it does take up half the road. I think it does actually. Hang on 1 minute, just need to move the camera. So then guys, I kind of died. Yeah, so I died. Don't know what to do with my life, basically. Keep dying. So one of these Tonka trucks are just around here, so they're not too far. Sorry about the camera movements. So then, as I was saying about the facts, 1, it's the biggest truck on GTA. 2, takes up half of the road, well, more than half actually, which I just witnessed now. It's not good at climbing hills, so that can be number 3. Number 4, I think I want number 4. Can't remember. I'll go from all again. Number 1, it's the biggest truck. Number 2, takes up half of the road and a bit. Yeah, 3, it's like crap. 4, it's crap. 5, it's crap. And 6, really slow. The place where I'm taking you now will just show how slow it is. And I wasn't paying attention then, so I just fell off. So give me a moment and I'll be with you. So just put a waypoint on where to go, and basically I've just gone the wrong way. So at the end of the video I'll make you witness something about this tonka truck, so you will believe me and you can tell all your friends at school, or if you're old and you really like GTA, people like your friends at work or something, college, all that stuff, you can tell all them lot. So yeah, you may be thinking about to put in the comments below when you've watched this video, what are your opinions? Well, my opinions on this, if you've not drove one yet, my opinions may be different to yours. So basically mine are, if you want, you can put in the comments below your opinions on, I don't know, like the slowness, the driving, or all together. Comment below, because I obviously don't know which one you want me to answer. So this is the first witness. As you can see how big it is compared to the road. So that is one witness, and the other one will be at the end of the video. Don't forget to check out my last video, well, last videos. Don't forget to subscribe. I'd love more subscribers because I haven't got a lot. And I'd just love for you all to tell your friends at school, work, just to say to your friends everything, oh, there's this YouTuber that I've been watching, he's only got 15 subscribers, can you help him out and everything. So just tell that to your friends. Don't forget to subscribe, knock all of these guys out. I will be doing some more GTA videos and FIFA videos soon. I have finally finished my Ultimate Team. That sounds weird. Ultimate Team. It's just an England team basically, and yeah, it's just an England team. So anyway, this is not the end of the video, but this is basically how fast it is on the one way. Not done this yet, but this will be the first time. So obviously this is where we're starting, and this is where we're going to end. So just revving up the engine. Now it's the time to put someone in a reasonably priced truck. Some say he hasn't taxed his car. He never wipes his bum with tissue. He wipes his bum with cardboard. But all we know is, I don't know his name. All we know is he's called the Stick. 3, 2, 1, go. 1. 35. So then guys, the Tonka truck I counted on my camera, which has got a little time on it. So I've got a time in my head. Now I'm going to compare that to a reasonably priced car. So then guys, just robbed this car off the road, and I've got that time in my head. That little vehicle there, can't point to it anyway. Let me just kill this guy so I can get the time. Right then. So then, in the Tonka truck, I'm not going to tell you the time yet until this is done. Basically, all I'm saying, it was, yeah, I don't know what time. Well, I do know what time it was, but I don't know how to explain the time. So the timer is on 11:45, so I'm just going to wait till 12 minutes so I can count really hard. Well, not really hard at all. So let's line it up. Right, get ready now. 57, 58. Go. So then guys, I've witnessed 2 times the Tonka truck time and a random off-road vehicle. Both of them, this is another fact, both of them are off-road. So, time for the final. This car, this one that we are in now, did it in 22 seconds. I repeat, this random off-road car did that in 22 seconds. Right, now brace yourself. The Tonka truck did it in 55 seconds. I repeat, that is 55 seconds. So then guys, I promised you a what's it called? A promise, kind of. So I'm gonna skip to the beat, to the rip. So then guys, just go into the place where you find these massive Tonka trucks. Brace yourself where I find one. Oh, there's one. So I'm going to give you some evidence about this Tonka truck, which I said early in the video. Sorry this has nearly gone on for 15 minutes, but I have to prove a point, basically. So brace with me whilst I go onto the road. So we're just literally barring over the boulevard things. So then, I'm going to say what I'm doing now. Like I said, my mate Adam Bonsall, check him out. He said in his video where to find the Tonka truck. He said if you run over cars with this, they just crush and you blow up. I witnessed that to myself, now you're going to witness it. So let's run over this car basically. think it has to be a lower card, to be honest. I know this one ain't lower, but let's just try it anyway. Well, so Theo won't be able to do that. Let's try this one. Well, I can't find any low cars, to be honest. I literally they're all high. I don't mean like smoking high, but I mean high. To be honest, I think I reversed onto them. I think. And this is another fact, look how slow it is. It is really slow going backwards. So yeah, I think that's how I did it. Went over backwards on it. My mate Adam Bonzel, check out his videos. He said that if you run over them, which I'm doing now, they just crush and you blow up, like I said. Actually, it's been set on fire, which is really funny. That one didn't do jack bob. Let's try one more car. If it don't blow up, then or two more cars, because there's one right behind it. Actually, this don't count as a car, to be honest. Right, my screen is shook, and I think that meant that car blew up. So that is literally demolished that car. That car set on fire again. Basically, I'm grabbing that car with me. Let's try a couple of more cars, then this video will be ended. So guys, this is the last car. So guys, that is it. That's another fact. I did try earlier when I paused the camera. I literally did blow up. So that's it from me. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Riley Stanley, which is my channel, and my mate's channel, Adam Bonzel. Tell all your friends at school, work, all that jazz. I will see you later. Bye bye.